In this video, I'm going to show you how to change app icon to custom image on any Android device. Open the Play Store, install Nova Launcher in your device. I have already installed it, so I will simply open it. Now, for example, I want to change the Play Store icon image. So simply I will long press on Play Store, go in Edit, tap on Image, go in Gallery Apps, go in Gallery. For example, I am selecting this one image. Let's crop it. Now this is good. Simply tap on Done. Tap on Done again. As you can see, my Play Store icon is changed into my custom image. So this is how you can change app icon into custom image on any Android phone. If this video helps you, like this video and subscribe the channel for more information like this.